Excuse me, can you help me? How do I get to the museum?
Go straight for 2 blocks. Turn left at the lights. It's next to the library.
Thanks a lot. Have a great day.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a clothing store.
Of course, walk straight and turn left at the corner. You'll see it right next to a coffee shop.
That's great, thank you.
Enjoy your shopping.
Thanks. Excuse me, where is the bank? I'm not familiar with this area.
Of course, the bank is very close. Walk straight, then turn right at the light. It is in the next building.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Excuse me, where's the city hall? Walk straight through this square. It is past that large fountain. Great, thank you so much. I know where to go now. Excuse me, where's the park?
Go straight for 400 meters. Turn left at the corner. It is next to a fountain.
That sounds great, thank you.
Enjoy your time there.
Have a wonderful day. Excuse me, I am looking for a cafe. It is just around the corner. That sounds absolutely perfect. Enjoy your coffee.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a beauty salon. Walk straight, it's next to a cosmetics store. That's perfect, thank you. You're welcome.
Excuse me, where is the nearest convenience store?
Walk straight to the intersection and turn left.
That is perfect. Thank you so much. Excuse me, where's the bakery?
Just turn left right over there.
Awesome, thank you so much. Excuse me, where's the bookstore?
Walk straight and turn right at the corner.
Excuse me, I can't find the cinema entrance.
Walk straight ahead and enter the large shopping mall. It is on the 3rd floor.
Perfect, thank you so much. Excuse me, where is the campsite? Follow this uphill road to the forest trail. Perfect, thank you. Enjoy your trip. Excuse me, where is the repair shop? My car needs checking. Go straight for 1 kilometer, turn right at the light. Thank you. You're welcome. Let's take a look under here. Excuse me, I'm looking for a car wash. Sure, turn left at the next intersection. It is right next to a gas station. It should take less than 5 minutes. Thank you for your directions. I hope it looks brand new again. Thanks, have a great day. Excuse me, I'm looking for a clinic nearby.
It's very close. Turn right at the corner. It has a blue sign.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, I need a hardware store. Go straight, then turn right. It is next to the supply shop. Perfect, thank you. Excuse me, where's the nearest hospital? Go straight down this road for about 10 minutes.
Dr. Brown, please report to the main lobby.
Excuse me, I can't find the immigration office. It's just past that building, right next to the public service center. Excuse me, where's the post office? It is easy. Go straight down this street, turn right at the bookstore, pass a small coffee shop. It is next to a park. It is a white building. Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. Excuse me, where's the police station?
Go straight for 5 minutes. It's right next to the park.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are very welcome.
Excuse me, where is the pharmacy? It's very close from here. Go straight for 200 meters, turn left at the first intersection. It is next to the bakery. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Excuse me, where is the zoo? It is just straight ahead. Great, thank you so much. Enjoy your visit.
Yeah!
Excuse me, where is the tailor?
Go straight and turn right. It is next to a bakery.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the bridge.
Walk straight along this path for about 400 meters. You'll pass a small cafe on your right. Turn right at the end to see the bridge.
Excuse me, where is the waterfall? Just follow this path. It is not very far. Go past the wooden bridge, follow the forest trail, walk past several large... That sounds great, thank you. That sounds great, thank you. Enjoy your adventure. Excuse me, where's the beach? Go straight, past the cafe, then turn right. Sounds amazing, thank you. Enjoy your visit.